Hello everyone, today we are going to see about control system in dishwasher. Importance of control system. Efficiency. Optimize water and energy usage. Effectiveness. Ensures through cleaning of dishes. User convenience. Provides user to interface for easy operation. Control system in dishwashers. Control system used in dishwashers is typically a closed loop control system that integrates both mechanical and electrical components to automate and regulate the washing process. Dishwasher contains various modes like normal, fast, interactive. Dishwasher asks user to enter the input for start time and wash end time. Dishwasher contains washing UA, tank, timer, alarm set, dishwasher, soap container, door. This being controlled by sensor set. Closed loop control system. Feedback mechanism. Sensors such as water level, temperature, soil sensors provide real-time feedback to microcontroller, allowing adjustments during operation. For example, the water temperature can be adjusted if it is too low or high based on sensor readings. Programmable logic control. Some commercial dishwashers or advanced home dishwashers may use programmable logic controllers. These systems are highly customizable and allows manufacturers to implement specific control logic, adjusting for varying washing cycles, water pressures, and temperatures. Automation. A system is programmed to automatically execute the washing, rinsing, and drying cycles based on user selector settings and sensor feedback. Microcontroller-based system. A microcontroller serves as the brain of the dishwasher control system, receiving inputs from sensors, processing data, and sending signals to pumps and valves to control the various phases of the washing cycle. On-off control system. Dishwashers also utilize basic on-off control for some operations such as switching heating element on or off when desired temperature is reached, or stop water filling when a required level is detected. There are many applications in dishwasher. We are going to see some of the applications. Household use. The primary application of dishwasher is in residential kitchens where they automate the cleaning process of dirty pots and pans. Healthcare facilities. Dishwashers are used in hospitals, clinics to sterilize surgical instruments. Commercial kitchens. In restaurants, hotels, and catering services, commercial dishwashers are essential for maintaining high sanitation. Challenges faced by using dishwasher. Water and energy consumption. Despite some improvements, some dishwashers still use significant amount of water and energy, raising concerns about environmental impact. Maintenance and repair. Regular maintenance is required to prevent odors and mechanical failures, which can cause costly repairs and downtime. Thank you.